All right, tech legends. Ever dreamed of having an AI as smart as ChatGPT, but without needing a NASA supercomputer or a secret handshake with the cloud? Well, hold on to your keyboards. OpenAI has just released GPT OSS under the Apache 2.0 license, which means you can even use it commercially. And trust me, it's going to blow your mind. You can run it on your laptop. Yes, your laptop. Let's dive in. Today, we're unpacking everything about GPT OSS, OpenAI's shiny new open source toy. What it is, why it's dope, and how you can get it running faster than you can say artificial intelligence. This is going to be fun, crispy, and packed with goodies. So stick around. Okay, first things first. What's GPT OSS? It's short for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, open source software, and it's OpenAI's big comeback to the open source world since GPT-2 in 2019. They've been keeping their AI goodies under lock and key, but now the gates are wide open. Here's the deal. GPT OSS isn't just one model, it's a dynamic duo. You've got GPT OSS 120B, the heavyweight champ with 117 billion parameters, and GPT OS 20B, the scrappy little bro with 21 billion. Parameters are like the AI's brain power, the more, the smarter. And guess what? You don't need a data center to run them. Your gaming setup, good enough. Think of it like this: 120B is your AI bodybuilder, while 20B is the lean, mean coding machine. Both are ready to flex on your hardware, no cloud required. Now, you're probably like, wait, OpenAI is giving this away for free. What's the catch? No catch, fam. It's all about democratizing AI. They want startups, researchers, and even you, yes, you, to mess around with cutting edge tech without breaking the bank. Sam Altman, OpenAI's big boss, basically said, "We dropped billions on this, so go wild." Okay, not a direct quote, but close enough. And with rivals like DeepSeek nipping at their heels, OpenAI is like, fine, take our tech and run with it. It's a win for us all. So, yeah, they're sharing the wealth and we're here to cash in. Let's talk about what GPT OSS can do. It's really powerful. It can think through problems, write code, and even create poems in no time. Math, no problem. Python scripts, done. Creative writing, it's got style. One of my fave tricks, it's got this chain of thought reasoning thing. It's like your brain on steroids, thinking step by step to solve problems. You can even crank up the effort level, low, medium, or high. It's like picking your AI's workout intensity. Developers, listen up, it's got structured outputs and works with OpenAI's Responses API. Translation: you can build apps with it like a boss. Plus, it can search the web and run Python. It's basically the Swiss Army knife of AI. No pictures or videos though, just pure text magic. Sometimes simple's the coolest. All right, time to get a little nerdy, but I'll keep it chill. GPT OSS runs on a transformer architecture with mixture of experts, or MOE. Picture a team of brainiacs, each one's a specialist. One's great at math, another's a coding ninja. They tag team to save power and crush it. The 120B model's got 117 billion parameters, but only uses 5 billion per token, like borrowing just the books you need from a massive library. The 20B, 21 billion, using 3.6 billion per token, smaller but still packs a punch. Both were trained on trillions of tokens, think infinite internet text. And the best part, you can run 120B on a single 80 GB GPU or 20B on just 16 GB of memory. Your gaming laptop's ready to roll. Oh, and it's safe. OpenAI scrubbed the data with GPT 4.0 filters. No shady vibes here. Performance time, GPT OSS is a beast. On the AIME 2024 math test, 120B scored 96.6% with max effort, neck and neck with OpenAI's fancy O4 Mini. The 20B, 96.0%. Not far behind coding, it's a grandmaster, 2622 ELO on code forces, and it aced SWE bench. Even in health stuff, it hit 57.6% on health bench. Not a doctor, but it's trying. Okay, maybe stick to coding. Point is, these models are open source champs, ready for you to tweak and play with. Ready to grab it? It's free under the Apache 2.0 license. Use it for anything, even money making gigs. Head to Hugging Face, download it, and boom, you're in business. Run it locally, no cloud, no fees, just you and your AI sidekick. Developers, it's optimized for VLLM or Olama, super easy. There's even a playground to test it out. Go nuts. It's your personal AI lab, zero cost, all fun. OpenAI's got your back. There's a cookbook with killer docs, hugging face forums for chats, and a red teaming challenge, $500,000 in prizes to stress test it. Get paid to break stuff. Want a custom AI? Fine tune it. Shakespeare vibes, coding beast. The community's already buzzing. Jump in. It's not just tech, it's a movement. Let's build together. So, what's this mean? GPT OSS could flip the script. Small teams, indie devs, everyone gets a shot at AI now. It's all about transparency and access, especially as AI takes over the world in a good way. With tons of brains tinkering, we might see wild new ideas, apps, tools, you name it. It's a sandbox for innovation. OpenAI might even add an API if we beg enough. The future's open and it's awesome. What's stopping you? Download GPT OSS, mess with it, and show off what you make. Developer Pro or total newbie, this is your playground. Drop your creations in the comments, smash that like, subscribe, and bell icon. We've got more GPT OSS deep dives coming. Got questions? Ideas? Hit the comments. I'm all ears. That's a wrap, fam. AI is not just for the big dogs anymore, it's ours. Catch you next time.